The Sudbury Residences, in between Boston's downtown and waterfront neighborhoods, deliver an exclusive luxury living experience in a one-of-a-kind location. This 45-story tall tower looks over Boston Harbor, Charles River, Beacon Hill, the surrounding cityscape, and beyond. The Sudbury consists of 368 apartment units and 55 total condos. Given its prominent location and height, this tower is one of the best-in-class residential properties in Boston. In the heart of the city's coveted network of open spaces and historic neighborhoods, this building offers spectacular views and seamless access to regional highways and transportation options, making it an ideal location. Condos at the Sudbury are very limited and offer the feel of living in a single-family home. In this video review of these residences, we will cover everything you need to know about the building, amenities, pricing, and location. The Sudbury Residences are located at 110 Sudbury Street in Boston, Massachusetts. Seated in Bulfinch Crossing, also known as the Government Center Garage Redevelopment, this project was completed in 2021. The building was designed by CBT Architects, known for their work on other Boston luxury condo buildings, such as Echelon Seaport and the Pier 4 Residences. The Sudbury stands at 480 feet with 45 total stories, making it the fifth tallest residential building in Boston. This building stands out not just by its height, but its design as well. The elegant and unique pinstripe design of the glass tower offers a beautiful new feature to Boston's skyline. Homeowners at the Sudbury Condos include healthcare professionals, business executives, along with students and professors at Boston's top universities. The location near the Seaport District, Financial District, research labs, and hospitals make it a top pick for professionals moving to the area. Comprising the top 11 floors of the tower, the Sudbury Residences each boast multiple exposures and a stunning panorama of water and city views from every room of each home. In stark contrast to the cookie-cutter designs and many new developments across the city, the residences here possess a distinctive, unique, and captivating design, setting them apart. Each residence was meticulously crafted with careful attention to detail in order to create comfortable and inviting spaces with timeless character. The thoughtful layouts, bespoke finishes, and sophisticated palette create a sanctuary in the sky from which owners can entertain or relax. The large windows let in heaps of natural light and of course deliver excellent views, creating a backdrop for the residences. Owners will enjoy watching sunrise and sunsets spanning across the Cape Ann coastline to the Blue Hills and mountains of New Hampshire. The living rooms contain gas fireplaces and engineered hardwood floors. Select residences contain wet bars as well, setting the tone for a multifunctional space. Appointed with custom Italian Scavallini cabinets, Calista fixtures, and Calcutta quartz countertops, the Sudbury's kitchens are an elegant and functional complement to the adjoining living and dining spaces. The kitchens are outfitted with a full suite of integrated Gaggenau appliances, including fully vented gas cooktops and 18-bottle wine coolers. The primary baths at the Sudbury are truly like no other. Features include Calcutta marble walls, radiant heated marble floors, recessed robber and medicine cabinets, and quartz-topped custom Scavallini floating vanities. Standalone soaking tubs also come in select residences. The Sudbury contains 55 residences seated above the apartment units. The expansive layouts range from 2 to 4 bedroom homes. 2-bedroom units range between 1,780 to 2,270 square feet. 3 bedrooms range between 2,300 and 2,600 square feet. Lastly, 4 bedrooms range between 2,700 and 4,000 square feet. Really quick, my name is Charlie Smith. I'm a real estate advisor in Boston, and I help people from all over buy, lease, or invest in the city. If you have any questions about Boston or real estate in general, you can find my contact information in the description of this video. Homes at the Sudbury come with some of the best services and amenities for residents out of any Boston high-rise. With 25,000 square feet of curated indoor and outdoor amenities, there's no shortage of places to relax, socialize, and work from home, alongside the Boston skyline. A sophisticated welcome sets the tone for the Sudbury from the moment you step into the private homeowner's lobby. A sculptural concierge desk and custom bronze chandelier are enveloped by marble and leather-paneled walls. Homeowners will enjoy exclusive access to the rooftop garden and club room. The Sudbury's rooftop garden is a Mediterranean-inspired oasis in the sky. Fully equipped with grilling and catering islands, gas fireplace with stone surround, and plush landscaping, It's open to the sky for a light breeze with floor-to-ceiling windows providing panoramic views. Owners can relax and entertain here with the backdrop of downtown Boston's skyline, waterfront, and harbor. The club room at the Sudbury is an elegant and welcoming retreat from the city below, with panoramic southwest views of both the waterfront and Charles River. 2 distinctive lounges supplement an owner's home, providing places to gather or unwind, including a catering kitchen. The Sudbury also features an unrivaled 4,500 square foot fitness center with state-of-the-art equipment, which gives residents a sanctuary to prioritize health and wellness. The adjoining studio is a restorative space for yoga, solo workouts, and group classes. Residents can enjoy swimming in a rare and coveted amenity in Boston, which is the outdoor pool. Adjacent to the pool deck, a spacious lounge invites residents to relax by the fireplace, play poker and billiards with friends, or socialize by the wet bar. On the 32nd floor with 2-story windows, the Sky Lounge is an expansive and light-filled space for residents to enjoy. Billiards, TVs, ample seating areas, and an oversized entertaining island provide spaces to gather and entertain. A wall of accordion doors connects the lounge to the outdoor wraparound sky deck. With uninterrupted views of Boston, the nearly 3,000 square foot open-air terrace offers a space to host friends and family. The Sudbury's chef's kitchen and private dining room is perfect for a special occasion or casual gathering. Golf enthusiasts can practice their swing any time of the year on the Sudbury Sports Simulator. Owners can enjoy a conference room with west-facing views of the iconic Charles River. The children's play area offers desks, chalk walls, and plenty of books to provide a dedicated retreat for owners' kids. The children's playroom at the Sudbury is thoughtfully positioned next to the fitness center, so owners can monitor their kids while they work out. Lastly, the pet spa and outdoor dog run are conveniently located on the Sudbury's 9th floor. This unique amenity provides a dog-friendly atmosphere to groom and exercise pets. The Sudbury is part of the most transformative revitalization in Boston, which is the Bulfinch Crossing neighborhood. Embodying Boston's rising prominence as a cosmopolitan city and global hub, Bulfinch Crossing is an unprecedented 4.8-acre development, reweaving the urban fabric and creating a new neighborhood at the nexus of Boston's most historic districts. Uniquely positioned at the intersection of Beacon Hill, the North End, Waterfront, and Financial District, the Sudbury is close to everything Boston has to offer. The Bulfinch Crossing neighborhood is a central location with unsurpassed walkability as well as excellent transit access. Nestled between Boston's oldest and most historic neighborhoods, the Sudbury's location is just steps from Beacon Hill in the North End with all its restaurants. Owners can attend a game at TD Garden without the hassle of driving, just as easily as they can walk to work in the Financial District. The Rose Kennedy Greenway, the Harbor Walk, and the Charles River Esplanade allow for quick access to Boston's most beautiful parks and waterscapes. As for groceries, Whole Foods, Star Market, Hub Hall, and Boston Public Market are just a few of the grocery options within 1 to 3 blocks of the Sudbury. Boasting a walk score of 99, the Sudbury brings new meaning to access in downtown. Steps from MGH in the Financial District with the Rose Kennedy Greenway as a front yard, no home could better define city connectivity. Whether owners want to walk, drive, or take the train, the Sudbury is ideally situated moments away from the best of Boston. The pricing of units at the Sudbury Condos varies depending on unit size, floor level, and customizations. The developer is still selling units at the Sudbury, and so far the average sales price is right under $4 million. The average price per square foot is a little over $2,000 per foot, increasing as you go up in floor level and size. 2-bedroom layouts range between $3 million and $5.3 million. 3-bedroom units go between $4.6 million and $5.6 million. 4 bedrooms start at $5.6 million and go up to $9.5 million. If you're interested in renting, the average monthly rent at the Sudbury is $14,000. However, there are rentals available anywhere between $10,000 and $20,000 per month. In terms of taxes, residents of the Sudbury are subject to property taxes based on the assessed value of their units. The exact amount will depend on the specific unit and its valuation determined by the Boston tax authorities. However, a tax rate of between $15,000 and $90,000 per year is to be expected. HOA fees are determined by the square footage of the unit and will likely cost between $2,000 and $10,000 per month. To provide a better example, a 2-bedroom unit at the Sudbury with 1,850 square feet recently transacted with a reported HOA fee of $2,479 per month and a tax rate of $34,000 per year. When deciding if the Sudbury Residences at 110 Sudbury Street is the right building for you, it's important to consider its drawbacks as well. The urban environment might not be suited for those seeking a more secluded living experience, given its central city location. Homes in this tower are very limited, with only 55 total units, making each residence highly expensive. The windows in each unit, while large, are not floor-to-ceiling, a feature seen in other comparable Boston high-rises. Overall, the Sudbury Residences are some of the most exclusive, private, and luxurious homes in Boston. The prime location, high-end units, and fantastic views contribute to the building's desirability. It's a great option for those who work in Boston or want to reside in an exclusive community. If you're interested in buying, renting, or investing in a home at the Sudbury, or have questions about real estate, I'm ready to assist you. Check the description to book a meeting, email or call me, and stay tuned for more videos on Boston real estate and luxury condo buildings.